Hey everybody. So our first IXL this week is talking about multi-step word problems. And like I said, this resource is going to be in your classroom. Definitely don't forget to go to your keywords page because that's what's going to help. When you see multi-step, which I put up here, right? That means more than one step. So this is a little different from what we've done. Okay, but you can do this. So my first problem, same as always, is always going to be read through the whole thing and then we're going to apply cubes. Eric saved $35 in March. He saved $12 in April and $47 in May. Then Eric spent $51 on a keyboard. How much money does Eric have left? So notice after I do my do my cubes, right? And so I don't have it's easier for me to highlight basically instead of circle. So I circled my $35. I circled my $12 because notice I have my numbers and my units as the dollar sign. $47. Over here I have $51. Those are all important things. Notice I said you have to go back and make sense of the numbers and units. And if you see, I put in these colors and I'm not sure why. Sorry, this should have been an orange. It was. I'll switch it for your resource. But these are saved. So these are money that he saved. So these items are saved. And then over here he spent. So that should be giving you a cue of what's going on. My question is how much money. So in this case, I'm looking for a number of money that he has left. So there's my sentence back, same as in class. Eric has blank dollars left. Okay. So notice I tell you down here, that's our cubes. After that, I want to know, I'm looking for the amount left. So first I have to know how much he saved, which is why when I went back, and again, this will change the orange. I'm so sorry. We have to add these numbers together for what he saved. And that's what I have down here. After I add these together, I get $94 is how much money he starts with, right? Because that's what he saved. And then we go with he spent. Here's our second step, guys. This is my first step, adding them together to find out how much he saved. My second step is to subtract how much he spent. I know that because when I say have left, right, this is a subtraction. That's my keyword. So $94 minus $51 gives me $43. So then I added, I just took my sentence up there and then I added in here my actual answer. Eric has $43 left. Okay, let's take a look at another example. The other example is the swimming club went to a swim meet in another town. They took 4 cars and 3 vans. There were 3 people in each car and 5 people in each van. How many people went on the trip? So notice my first thing, and I noticed as soon as I did my cubes, right? I did my cubes. Let's go back. And we did 4 cars, 3 vans, 3 people. Each car, I did that because each is telling me number like 1. And remember, each is also going to be a keyword. I have 5 people. I have each van. And what I want to know is how many people, so the number of people on the trip. So here's my sentence back, right? Blank people went on the trip. Once I do that, I have to, after I applied my cubes, which I did, right? I needed to notice, I go back and I notice, well, there's 2 types of vehicles. There's cars and there's vans. And also the cars and the vans each fit a different number of people. That's what we're talking about. So notice when you see each, we're talking about groups as well, right? A lot of times we'll do each is going to either split something up or make groups of something. In this case, I'm taking a look and notice I said, I gave you the steps and I said down here. All right, sorry guys, my Wi-Fi is cutting in and out. Okay, so notice that I have 2 different types of vehicles. Each vehicle fits a different kind, right? Or sorry, a different amount of people. So I gave you that cue over here, right? I need to see how many people went by car and how many people went by van. So in my cars, I have 4 cars that each have 3 people. So I'm going to do 4 times 3, and I get 12 people went by car. And for my vans, I have 3 vans. Each van fits 5 people. So 3 times 5, there were 15 people. These are my first step. I know it seems like that's kind of multi right there, but really I'm finding out how many people went by each vehicle. Then my second step, or third, depending how you want to look at it, is I need to add together these numbers. How many went by car? How many went by van? So I get a total of 27 people. So on here, my answer is 27 people went on the trip. Okay, well, let me know if you need more help.